In this video, we will learn how to import file in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet and go to the File tab and click on the Import option. And here you can see the Import File dialog box is open. So you can import file from your Google Drive. The share with me, so those file is shared with you. Recent file also you can import here and upload file. Okay, so you can upload from your computer. Okay, so you can upload here and you can select from your my drive. Okay, so I search here the file type, click on the file type and click on the spreadsheet. You can see here the only Excel format file showing. So you can see the .xlsx. So which are the Microsoft Excel format file, those are only showing here, not the Google Sheet, other Google Sheet showing. So you can import only the Microsoft Excel format file here. Okay, so I select this one and click on the insert to import the file. You can see the file sales data August 2024 XLSX. Create the new spreadsheet, insert the new sheets and replace the. I just click on the create the new spreadsheet. Okay, and just click on the import data and click on the open now. Now here you can see the new sheet is created. Okay, Google Sheet is created. Okay, same as you can select here the insert new sheet, import the theme and click on the import data. You can see here the sheet is inserted. Okay, again I show you the third option, click on the import and I select here the file type spreadsheet. Then I select this file and click on the insert and the replace spreadsheet. Okay, so this spreadsheet will replace with this file. I just click on in the replace spreadsheet. All data currently in this spreadsheet will be replaced. Okay, just click on the import and here you can see only one sheet is showing and other data is replaced with this data. So other data is deleted and replaced with this data. So this is a 3-way you can import Excel file in Google Sheet. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.